Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels and this video tutorial. I'm going to show you how to get gems in EA Sports FC Mobile 24. So first is to finish the daily quest. Completing the daily quest is the best way to earn gems in EA Sports FC Mobile. By finishing multiple straightforward missions, players can earn up to 360 gems each day. Moreover, there are weekly rewards allowing you to collect an additional 1,800 gems every 7 days. Next is to play division rivals. If you've claimed gems from daily quests and top tier missions, division rivals awaits you. By playing in this game mode, players can earn competitive points which can be exchanged for gems. Next is to complete the challenges. If you have a decent starter squad, one more way to earn gems in FC Mobile is to complete challenges. You'll get a specific amount of gems for every victory you make, so the most skilled players can earn tons of gems through challenges. Next is to claim daily login rewards. Daily logging into the game rewards players with thousands of gems, especially during popular events like TOTY or TOTS. Next is to get gems ad packs. If you're an active player who enjoys FC Mobile regularly, don't mind spending 30 to 45 seconds on the gems ads pack. It rewards players with 100 gems every 24 hours. And lastly is to complete Star Pass. Finally, you can learn some gems by progressing through the Star Pass. Still, this will requires pretty much time, making it unsuitable for people looking for fast rewards. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.